Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious milk popsicles at home. It's super easy and fun. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite milk, a 1/4 cup of sweetener like sugar or honey, and any flavorings you love. Whole milk works best for a creamy texture, but any milk will do. Think about adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a tablespoon of cocoa powder for extra yumminess. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix them up. In a bowl, combine your 2 cups of milk, the 1/4 cup of sweetener, and any chosen flavorings. Whisk everything together until it's well blended. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. Then, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, making sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. Now for the freezing part, place your filled molds into the freezer. After about 30 to 60 minutes, when the mixture is slightly slushy, insert your popsicle sticks. This timing helps them stand upright and centered. Continue freezing for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. Patience is key for perfectly frozen treats. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade milk popsicles, removing them from the molds is simple. Just run the molds under warm water for a few seconds. This helps loosen the edges. Then, gently pull the popsicle out by the stick. If you have any left, store them in an airtight container in the freezer to keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your cool and creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.